So, g'day people, how you going? You being cunts today or what? So, today I just want to talk about what this is. What do you call it? Well, in the English speaking world, there's generally two versions. There is the Australian, British, Kiwi version, and that is a mobile phone. So, when you come to those countries, it's called a mobile phone, okay? Get it, alright? But if you go to the US and Canada, it's called a cell phone, a cellular phone, okay? So if I go to the United States, I'll call this a cellular phone because they'll understand. If I go, can I buy a mobile phone? They go, what the hell is that, mate? So, you use the terminology that they use in those countries. Same, if you come to Australia, don't bloody call it a cell phone. Even though we watch American TVs and probably understand, just call it a mobile phone, alright? Because you're in Australia, alright? Mobile phone, yeah. If you go to Aboriginal territory, use whatever language they speak to call it. But they probably have a version of a mobile phone too. So anyway, that was a ranting and raving. But in general, throughout the world, there are actually three different types of names that are used. Mobile, which is used probably throughout a lot of Europe. There is cellular, which is probably used throughout the Americas, in Spanish and all that. And there is hand. In Germany, they call it a handy, which is, well, you got a hand, or it's handy. And some other countries also use a version of hand as well. But a unique name for it is in Turkey, what they call it? Cep telefonu. And that just means pocket phone. So they use the word pocket instead of cellular, hand or mobile. Which is pretty imaginative actually. You put it in your pocket. Bloody oath, mate. So, to use this in a sentence, well, it's pretty easy actually. You just use it like you would use any other noun. So, this is my phone. I like my phone. It has the British Union Jack on my phone. And my phone is called a mobile phone. So, in the United States, you say, I like my cellular phone. It is a good cellular phone, and I love my cellular phone. In Australia, I would say, this is my mobile phone. I like my mobile phone. And it is a beautiful mobile phone with the Union Jack on it. So, pretty easy way to use it. Just if you want to use these names, mobile or cellular phone, in a sentence, just place it after the verb. So, in Australia, mobile phone, alright? Not cellular. Use the damn word mobile phone. Thank you very much, mates. Have an awesome, English learning experience. Bye-bye.